Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Miss AKF Corner here. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always tuning in. I don't take your coming back for granted. Okay, I'm back again to talk about court wedding in Nigeria. If you've not seen the first video, I'm going to link it here, somewhere here. Don't forget to click and watch to understand where I'm coming from. This video is a continuation of that video, and I'm just going to be talking about the documentation needed before you proceed to apply for your court wedding or even fixing a date. If you are getting married anytime soon, then this video is for you. Also, if you know someone who is getting married soon in the court in Nigeria, then also you need to watch this video. Not only watch the video, you also need to share with them. Stick around to the end because this video is about to enlighten you.
To tell you I love you, deep in my heart I've been searching for ways.
If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate and love you for your support to this growing channel. I'm going to add the link to my previous video so that you can check out the first video I did on court marriage in Lagos, Nigeria. This is an updated video to that. I got this information from someone who got married in early this year. Actually, I got to Dami Spence and now Mrs. Adereti. Anyways, let's jump right into it. If you're planning your court marriage, here is a place. This is where you need all the information to help you process it smoothly. Actually, you don't need to pay anybody. You can go straight to the website and do all your documentations yourself. You fix your dates and you're on your way to getting married. Unfortunately, I won't be able to show you the process because it means I have to register. I had done mine earlier on and I was unable to record. But from talks, you can actually get what you need. First, if you want to register for your court wedding, it's a token fee of 25,000 naira. Yes, on the website. When you hear additional fee, those are people who are going through agents to get the registration done. It can actually be seamless anyways if you don't want to go through the stress. However, you can also do it yourself, right? So let's jump right into the documents you need to register. First, you need to put in your full name, your first, your second, and then your surname. When we talk about your full name, we're not talking about the name you intend to bear, especially for the bride to be. It is especially for the bride to be. It is your maiden name. Then you have to input your date of birth, followed by your place of birth. That's if you are from, not your state of origin. If you're from Lagos State and you are born in Ogun State, your place of birth is Ogun State. I will go to your state of origin, which is your state. That's I'm from Ogun State, so I can put Ogun State. And also you go to your local government of origin. Local government of origin is your local government. Your home address also, it's also important. Your phone number, your email address. For your email address, it is important that it is very correct. The reason is because you will get subsequent information from that. You get subsequent information or details through that email. Now, if you're using an agent, they are likely to use their email because they also want to follow up on what is going on with your application. So they will get the email of one of you, but if you are doing it by yourself, you can actually update the email of both your spouse and yourself. Your occupation is very important. Also, you need your father's name, whether alive or otherwise. You need your father's name. You also need your father's occupation imputed in that document information. Another information is name of your children, if applicable. If you have kids, you can actually go right and impute that. That is if it is applicable. Yes. Please know that all this information I've listed out is for both husband and wife, so it is important you put in your correct details. Always go back to check if your information has been inputted correctly. You don't want to be there on your wedding day correcting your names and information. You are going to sweat, and you don't want that, of course, as a bride. Anyways, these are details I believe. The first set of details are details I believe that you have off your head. So I'll be going into the documents you need for the document you actually need to process before you register. So you need to get these things available. I know I've mentioned the things you need to impute. However, you need to upload the following documents. Number one, both of you need your passport photograph. I don't think there's a specification. You can use any background, but you need your passport photograph. You would also be needing your birth certificate. You need your birth certificate, both husband and wife. And you also need to upload your means of identification, be it your NIN or your international passport, whichever valid passport you have with you can upload. Also, you'll be needing your state of origin documents. This is also important to confirm what you have earlier stated while imputing your details. For the bride, you will need to upload your affidavit of spinsterhood. This is to confirm and show that you're single. You can go to a court to get that signed for you. Basically, these are all you need to have on ground before you proceed to the website. I'm going to drop the link to the website in the description below. I believe with all these documents I've listed, you are good to go to register and then prepare for your wedding. As soon as you upload these documents, you get a notification in your email, and that will tell you the date. Also, I'm sorry to forget, so also you need to also agree on a date when you would like to get married. A date will be fixed for you within the same period as you have stated. Don't forget that it is important for you to agree on a date before you go ahead and register. It is not a platform where you can change the date or appear any day you like. No, you need to fix the date and also be there. If you've ever experienced a change of date, you can also share with us in the comment section. But I'm talking from where I sit and what I'm aware of. You would need your date confirmed so that you can lock it in, and also you'll be able to get a date also. Please note that you will need 1 month, at least 1 month prior to your wedding date to make this application. You can't go on the platform to register 2 weeks before your wedding. It's a no-no. You will need at least 45 days. Because you will need at least 45 days. This is because of validation from the court. I don't know how true this is, but the information we got was that a validation needs to be done on both couples, so you need at least 45 days before your registration, before your marriage, to upload the information required or to register on the platform. I'm going to share the link to the Ministry of Interior where you'd register. The fee as at the time of this wedding in early 2022 was 25,000. I still believe as at now that this video is being uploaded that the fee is still the same. If there's going to be changes, I don't think it will be more than 5,000 to 10,000. You can also check the platform yourself for the information. This is basically what I'm all about this video today. Subsequently, I'm going to share another video where I'm going to be talking about the process if you want it done in the comfort of your home or at an address, or you want to go to the ministry. Thank you guys for tuning in today. If you are new here, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, also comment and share with anyone who you know is about to get married or do a court wedding. Thank you very much, guys. See you in my next video. Bye. You need the passport of both yourself, both